Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about, part one of a series on database formatting or database designing, basically. And so in this video, we'll be covering how to create tables using SQL. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, we need to create our table. We're going to use the command create table. Now we're going to have to give our table a name. And now, what this table is going to be about, for now, we're just going to type in planes, because I'm interested in planes, and planes are very cool. Then we'll open up our brackets or parentheses, go down, close it a bit. Now we have to decide what columns we want under our table. So for example, we could give each plane in our column, or we create the column ID, just to ID our particular planes. We can also add what sort of manufacturer this plane has. We can type out the model of our plane. And we can do something like get the length and the width of our planes. So yeah, basically we have our columns here. Again, if you want to add items to your table, that's going to be in a separate video. This short video series is mostly going to be about designing your database rather than actually using it or updating it. But the final thing you need to know is that we have our columns here. We have the ID column, manufacturer column, model column, length column, and width column. Now what it's helpful to do is basically each of these defaults to numeric values. For example, if we set some ID equal to something else, well, this would obviously be numeric. But if we had something like manufacturer, then this would not be necessarily numeric value. So what we can do is we can specify ID as an integer. It's not integer. We can specify manufacturer as a text input. Also, same thing for model. Length, again, we can also use integer. We can also use the affinity called real if we wanted something like a decimal value. And we can have a width of equal to that is falling under real. And of course, there's actually one more useful affinity. For now, it's going to be called not null. Now, not null is basically just saying that, well, it can't be a null value. So for example, there has to be some sort of value, for example, manufacturer, although it's not necessarily the case, because we may not know the manufacturer data, so we could just say something like integer ID not null. And that'll tell us that our value has to have some sort of, that under the ID column, there has to be some sort of value for every single row, basically. Yes, that's basically it about how you create your tables when designing your SQL database. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.